Awesome.
Hey, morning.
What's up? Good morning to you. And afternoon. Hello.
Hey.
Supercar Tank Day. Supercars and tanks. Sexy. Ferrari. GT. Sexy 765.
I walked in the hot as hell. I wish I had a green screen behind me. The guy, you remember? There's a guy on YouTube that does this crazy stuff with a green screen behind him. He runs around.
And we're here.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and how are you?
I'm
What do you
great.
do for a living, sir?
I collect unemployment and welfare.
Amazing.
Yeah, this government, are you kidding me? The more they want, the more they give you. It's wonderful. It's communism.
But you own a tank.
Yes, I do. I stole it from the army.
This is his tank. This is his tank, everyone. He has a pace car,
Medical card.
F1, and he has a tank.
Yeah.
And someone else is flying his plane right now, too. Right there.
That's not mine.
That's not yours? Oh, okay. Love it.
Since you're up there, want to do mine too?
Yeah.